let's get ready to work our arms. This is a fun little flow, working from peacock to double knee exposure. I'll do it on the ground first. Just like in yoga, we're going to find a peacock. Bringing the knees in, placing them on the line. Coming down, placing the arms, finding peacock. Going back in, placing the knees and coming up. Now you may not be able to place both knees at once. That's a transition you can work towards. I'll show you on the line how to do one knee at a time. If you're not familiar with peacock or double knee exposure, check out our SLACKROBATS tutorials for some fun tips. Starting in peacock. From here, I'm going to bring the knee in one at a time to find that knee placement. Shift my weight to that knee in this arm and place the other knee. Now we're in double knee exposure. From here, if you need to, you can widen the knees a little bit, make space for your hands to go back into peacock. Turning the fingers away from you, making sure the elbows are hugged in close to the body as we transition our weight back to peacock. Holding it, bringing one knee up, finding the right knee placement, putting the other knee on. Double knee exposure. Again, going back into peacock, widen the knees, turn the fingers away. Remember to breathe during this one. Bring the elbows in close, keep the head high, go to peacock. For a challenge, you can bring both knees up, place them at the same time. Woo! That's a tough one, so take your time with it and build your way up. That's why I'm giving you progressions. Try it on the ground first, and work your way up to the progressions until you make it to beast mode. Until next time, SLACKROBATS, keep sending us your progress. We want to see how you're doing. Send it to SLACKROBATS Facebook, SLACKROBATS Instagram. Keep training, folks.